Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I'm talking about Disney stock. You know I've been shorting it with a short put. You can do the same thing on Robinhood or whatever brokerage you use. You go to trade options, then go to long put, okay? You buy a long put. As far as the strike price, it's up to you. You know, if you can see the strike price, you know, maybe you want it to go down 5% and then you start making money, or if it goes down 2%, you start making money. You know, the lower the percentage of the decline, the higher your premium is going to be that you have to pay to buy the short put. But just buy one, okay? Figure out which one you want and buy one. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, you heard me clear. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinions. Okay, so having said that, Disney's going to continue to go down. Okay, I told you it was. Also, recently I told you Tesla was going to crash, and it did. Go check. I told you Apple was going to go down strongly, and it did. Go check. Check my videos. Check my videos for proof, okay? Now, Disney, I said was going to go down, and it is. It has been. I'm up on my short put on Disney. I'm up 114%, which is like a little over $250. And this is in less than a month. It hasn't gone down as strongly as I wanted to yet, which is good for you, so you can still get in before this thing really tanks. And I think it's going to tank soon, okay, once it reports earnings in a couple weeks. I think it'll be real bad earnings, okay, because they lost close to $1 billion with a B, as in boy, billion, close to $1 billion, 900 million to $1 billion loss on 4 movies, okay? Indiana Jones, The Little Mermaid, Elemental. I can't think of the fourth one. And you might say, well, no, they did pretty good. They made a couple $100 million. It doesn't matter. You got to look at the budget. You got to look at marketing and all the costs involved. Whatever the budget is, you multiply that times 2.5. That's how much they need to make just to break even, okay? They lost close to $1 billion on 4 movies. Christians have turned against Disney because it's an evil company. That's my opinion. It's just my personal opinion, okay? They're boycotting. So take a look at Disney right here. Benzinga. They are very bearish on Disney. Take a look at this new article, brand new article, October 27th, 4:32 p.m. Disney delays more films. Could shareholders suffer more declines during Hollywood strike? I hope so, because as Disney goes down, I make more money, okay? So it says Disney's delaying several movies from 2024 to 25 and beyond. The new delay follows other studios and comes after Disney shook up its release schedule earlier this year. Shares of Walt Disney, down today 0.48%, have fallen significantly in the last year and are trading at decade lows. Decade lows. Much to the displeasure of shareholders. I'm happy about it, because the reason I'm shorting Disney is because of their policies that are very similar to Bud Light's policies. I'll say that, okay? And you saw what happened to Bud Light stock, and Bud Light's basically destroyed and on the brink of collapse. I know they're owned by Anheuser-Busch, but Bud Light's done. Okay, now let's take a look. It says, what happened? Disney released several movies that have underwhelmed at the box office compared to their expectations in 2023. 24 year isn't looking much better, with multiple movies being delayed to 25 as a result of the ongoing Hollywood strike. On Friday, Disney shared that its live-action Snow White movie, set for March 22nd, 2024, has been delayed to March 21st, 2025. And I personally heard they're going to completely change the whole movie. Did you see how they made it kind of woke, you know? And the Disney Snow White was completely different. It was very disturbing if you saw the previews, and there was a lot of backlash and people saying they were going to boycott it, and now they're delaying it. Do you know why they're delaying it? They're completely changing it. Completely changing it. The whole cast, everything. Changing it all right? So these changes take 2 of the company's key spring 24 releases out of the upcoming schedule and could put more pressure on the remaining 24 films, which also faced pressure as the actors' strike continued. Disney also removed Magazine Dreams from the calendar. The move was expected given the film's star Jonathan Majors' current legal troubles. The film premiered at the Sundance Film in January. Disney CEO Bob Iger and other media CEOs told SAG that the deadline to keep 24 films in the calendar is getting close. A rumored deadline of the first week of November has gained steam and could be when more films are delayed. Disney did not share an update on Deadpool 3, which is scheduled to be released in May of 24. The film was one of several that halted production during the actors' strike, which could put the release date in question. Disney Q3 earnings highlight revenue miss, earnings per share beat, 105 million core Disney Plus subscribers, okay? But we're going to see what the newest earnings are coming up here. This is like estimates they're giving you. They're gonna be bad. Why it's important. The announcement from Disney follows a recent one from Paramount Global. The next Mission Impossible movie would be from 24 to 25. It got delayed. Earlier this year, Disney announced delays for movies in Avatar, Marvel, Star Wars, the third Avatar movie from 24 to December of 2025. That's almost 2026, guys, okay? And what if it gets delayed again? Avengers movies moved from 26 to 2027? Really? Are you kidding me? And what if it gets delayed further than that, too? An untitled Star Wars movie moved from 25 to 26. The company also moved Thunderbolts, Blade, Fantastic Four, and Captain America, Brave New World. And keep in mind, if they try to make these movies woke, they're going to be boycotted, they're going to fail, they're going to lose money. Just like all the other movies they made lost money, okay? Disney hasn't had any movies in 2023 that made a profit. None, except for one. You know what it is? It was the third installment of Guardians of the Galaxy. They made some pretty good money. That was the only movie they had that made money. And that movie wasn't woke. So let's take a look here. All these changes could spell trouble for what could become a more bare than usual blockbuster lineup for 2024 for Disney. This could put pressure on the company's other businesses, similar to 23, when no film has hit the 1 billion milestone at the box office. Movie theater companies like Cinemark and AMC could also see pressure with a weaker lineup of films. Disney price action. Disney shares trade at 79.33 versus a 52-week range of 78 to 118. Shares of the media company are down 24% in the last year. Take a look at Target shares and see how much they're down over the last year. Okay, Target. They went woke and they tried to force it on babies. They tried to force their wokeness on babies. Christians boycotted. Go look up Target stock and see what happened to their stock. Got destroyed over the last 12 months. Look at Disney. When have you heard of Disney being down 24% in a year? And it's going to go much lower. All right, friends. What do you think about it all? Are you going to buy a Disney short put? You should. I'm up 114% in less than a month on a Disney short put. And I still got a couple weeks left on my 100-share contract, which is just one contract, 100 shares, though. I'm feeling really good about it. I think it's going to continue to move down strongly. Also, I think potentially on Monday, we may have a stock market crash. Stay tuned because I have a video on that coming up. Just make sure you hit subscribe. Look down to the right, hit the bell notification so you know when my videos are so you don't miss them because they do hide them from you. Because I'm out here telling truth. They don't want you to see it. The stock market may completely collapse on Monday. It's based on a historical trend. Okay, and I'll show you why. So if you're going to be opening a short put on any stock, Monday would be a good day to do it. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All right? Comment below. What do you think about it all? Talk to you soon. Have a great day.